Hey guys, Bobby Johnson here with StudioBlueCreative.com. Just wanted to talk to you today about zipping up a file with a bunch of JPEGs in it. Okay, so if you're not aware, you can go to download.com. Oops, and you can find a lot of handy dandy tools. Just right up here, one of the best tools you can get is the WinZip tool, and just type it in the search bar. It's the very top one. Hit download now. You do not have to buy it. It has a trial version that never expires. So if you download it, you end up with a great little tool that you can use for a lot of stuff. So what I'm doing now is I'm getting a folder open, and I'm going to go to my desktop, which is what I'm on right now, and I got a bunch of JPEGs here. Okay, but I only want to upload one, so there's a ton of these, so I don't want to have to upload all of them one at a time, right? So if I'm going to upload the whole thing, I might as well zip them up, make it one file, upload the one file, then the developer can download one file with all of the cool stuff in it that you want to put on the new website, and they can extract that file and have all those images. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go back up to where that folder is right there. I'm going to right click on it. Now this is after WinZip is installed. It's not hard. It's just like an exe. It's easy to install. Just double click it and it'll automatically install for you. Okay, but once WinZip is installed, you've got a folder full of JPEGs that you want to take care of. You want to archive those into a zip folder. Okay, you can do it a couple ways. RAR folders, if they're using WinZip, you can create a RAR folder and they can unzip it. If they're not, you might be in trouble. So what you want to do is you want to do add to archive. Okay, click on add to archive. Alright, see right here where it says jpeg.rar. If you go right down here, that changes to jpeg.zip. That creates a zip file. Okay, everything else is done for you. All you have to do is click OK. Alright, that's archiving that JPEG piece for you. That folder now has an associated file in here somewhere. Let me get these lined up. Right here. See it? Okay. It's 12 meg, 12,000K. Alright? That's a little much. I don't have it. I can't upload anything to projectfork that's larger than 10 meg. Okay? So what do? I go up here, I create a new folder, I call it JPEG2. Okay, it's going to come right up here. I'm going to open these. If you don't know how to copy and paste, you should see the video on that. And I'm going to select a few of these by holding the control key down, the ones that I want. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to grab four or five of those. Back up. Wait, did I copy them? Let's see. Let's do it this way. We'll go to a list. Go right here. And then I'll hold the shift key down and I'll grab the top few there. And I'll hold the control key down and I'll hit C. Okay, control C copies. Alright. That's not going to help us. You know why? Because it leaves a copy in that folder. Okay, Control X cuts them. Notice they're grayed out a little bit right here. If they're grayed out. Now let's go back here to the other folder and then Control V. All those are there. Let's go back to the other folder and they're gone. Okay, now let's go back out to the top, the higher domain piece right here. Right click again, add to archive, change it to zip. I'm going to change the name to A, or let's do 1 because the other one's 2, and I'm going to click OK. Voila, let's see if that ends up being smaller. See there, it's 8.7. That'll fly. Alright, then I take the other one, right click on it, add to archive, nice and easy, click the zip, click OK. You notice that it runs through all of them, and then it gives me a file, and I can see how large the file is. Okay, so I have 2 files that should total that number, or pretty darn close. Alright, now I can upload this to my projectfork project. Okay, here's how I do that. I know that this is on the desktop. I want to remember where I saved these, okay, so that I can go back to them from projectfork. Excuse me. Alright, so I've got a bookmark here for projectfork. I'm going to go to the administrator. I'm going to log in. Okay, and again, components, projectfork. Okay, now here's my practice project that I've been working on. I'm going to go to files. I'm going to say new file. I'm going to browse. I'm going to go to the desktop. I'm going to go to JPEG 1 and open. Okay, I'm going to add one more. I'm going to browse. I'm going to go to JPEG 2 and open. Okay, then I'm just going to save them. Okay, once that's finished, it'll tell you it's finished, and then you can go make sure that those files are there. Now, one of the key things that you want to do is you want to make sure that they have a size associated with them. If they say 0 is their size, you know something went wrong and you need to retry to do it again. Alright, we now have JPEG zip, okay, and if you edit this item, oh, I'm sorry, cancel. If I start clicking on it and it downloads right away, okay, right here when I try to save that, it's 8.5 megs. See that? That tells me how large that file is. Okay, all I did was left click on it and it shows me this is a compressed file with 3.3 meg of information in it. Okay, then you can cancel. You already have those, but your developer is going to try to get them. So we need to make sure that those files have stuff in them. Alright, then you can go back over here to task, create a new task based on that. You know, JPEGs uploaded. Responsible person is Cotton. That's me. Save. And again, I will end up getting an email that says JPEGs uploaded right there. Okay, and then developer can follow that link and go get those files and put them on the project. Alright, and that's how easy that is. Okay, just make sure you follow those easy steps, simple steps, and you'll be able to zip anything you need to. All right, that's it for WinZip, and I'll be making some more videos throughout the next coming days. Thank you.